O you who feel anxious, O you whose heart feels heavy, if you feel like the world is closing in on you, today I want to share a powerful dua for anxiety, stress, and inner peace. This is a supplication that Prophet Muhammad used to repeat during times of hardship. Please stay until the end. When life became difficult, when pressure became heavy, he would say,
يا حي يا قيوم برحمتك أستغيث أصلح لي شأني كله ولا تكلني إلى نفسي طرفة عين.
If you say this dua with certainty, it can bring incredible peace to your heart and relief from anxiety. Because when Allah wills something, He says, be, and it is. So don't worry about your problems. Let's repeat this dua together. Repeat.
يا حي يا قيوم برحمتك أستغيث أصلح لي شأني كله ولا تكلني إلى نفسي طرفة عين.
And trust that Allah is near. If this video helped you, share it with someone who might need peace today. And subscribe for more Islamic reminders.